Struggling with ED? Before you reach for the little blue pill, listen up because your diet might be the real problem and the real solution. Erectile dysfunction isn't just an isolated broken junk issue. It's often a warning sign of poor blood flow, inflammation, and hormone imbalance, all of which are heavily influenced by poor diet and lifestyle choices. And make no mistake, ED can be an early sign of heart disease. If blood can't flow properly to and from your heart, it won't flow properly anywhere else. Here are just a few dietary challenges that may be affecting your love muscle. Refined carbs, processed meats, fried foods, and trans fats damage blood vessels and lower testosterone. Excess alcohol and sugar wreck your metabolism and mess with your hormones. A quick fix that can begin working for you at your next meal. A diet rich in leafy greens, beets, berries, and fatty fish boosts nitric oxide and improves circulation. Nuts like pistachios, dark chocolate, and whole, unprocessed foods support vascular health and testosterone levels. Even small dietary shifts can make a big impact on your performance and confidence. You don't need to suffer in silence or depend on meds for life. Clean up your diet, fuel your body with real food, and you might just reclaim your vitality. Follow for more natural strategies to boost performance, energy, and confidence, starting with what's on your plate.